Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use the Bumpy dating app step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the app. Go to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for Bumpy dating app. Download and install it. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app. You can sign up using your email, phone number, or Google account. Add your name, age, photo, and some info about yourself. Step 3. Set your preferences. Choose who you are interested in, man, woman, or both, and set age and distance preferences. Step 4. Start swiping. You will see profiles one by one. Swipe right if you like someone, left if you don't. Step 5. Match and chat. If the other person also swipes right, it's a match. You can now send messages and get to know each other. That's how to use Bumpy. Always be safe when talking to new people. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.